Oh yes, dinner tonight by yours truly.
You forgot about that little tidbit.
right. I'm the chef tonight, so
Right.
get ready to loosen your belts.
I got it. It's in there.
The chef. Getting ready. Okay, we got the chorizo about to be going here.
Right.
Getting our oil ready. Got our peppers.
Mm-hmm.
About to get the rice. We in there. We in there. Dinner commences soon.
Soon, very soon.
Yeah.
I got it. It's in there.
The chef.
That has both things.
Right. Compliments to the chef. Chef kiss all around. You know what I'm saying?
All of that.
All of it. So out, baby. Okay, we got the chorizo. We got the motherfucking. Can I cuss on here?
You can say whatever you want.
Got the motherfucking mushrooms. Got the shrooms. Okay, got the seasonings going on.
With the rice.
With the rice. Okay, got the rice cooking. Got the seasonings.
Seasonings.
We got the fucking sizzle.
Sizzle.
We got the vibes.
Vibes.
Okay, they here. Best friend forever.
All of that.
All that.
What seasoning you just put in there right now?
Garlic powder.
Okay.
I put some pepper in there. I also put some cumin.
And what's the end result here?
Okay, we're about to have a bowl. Okay, we got the rice. We're gonna face it with the rice. We're gonna put some spinach in there. Gotta chop that. We got the fajita veggies. Got our proteins. It's fucking lit.
All of that.
Got polo. I ain't forget. Oh, it's on me. All right, chef of the hour. Are you gonna turn the music down like maybe one more pinch?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, we got the spinach chopped. Bam. Ooh, look at it. Got the rice, courtesy of you.
Yes.
Okay. Got the chorizo and the mushrooms. And we also had the fajita veggies.
Sorry.
Shit. We got the cheese.
All of that.
Okay, you know what I'm saying? Mozzarella on deck. What else we got?
Salsa. Restaurant style.
Right. Sour cream. Vibes. Bam.
You want to tell them the contents one more time?
Okay, yes. So we got in the bottom, we got the spinach, the chopped spinach. We got the rice. We have on the side here the mixed vegetables, which is onions and green peppers and red peppers. We also have chorizo with mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, and the multi-grain Tostinos.
Right.
So lit.
It's super lit.
It's lit.
It's lit.
It's lit.
All right.
Wow.
Not recording, but